The dawn continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Koran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, by the dawn and the 10 nights, by that which is dual and that which is single, by the night when it comes, is there not in this a mighty oath for a man of sense? Have you not heard how your Lord dealt with Ad, the people of the many-columned city of Iran, whose like has never been built in the whole land, and with the mood who hewed out their dwellings among the rocks of the valley, and with Pharaoh, who impaled his victims upon the stake? They had all led sinful lives, and made the land teem with wickedness. Therefore, your Lord let loose on them his scourge, for from his eminence your Lord observes all. As for man, when his Lord tests him by exalting him and bestowing favors on him, he says, my Lord is bountiful to me. But when he tests him by grudging him his favors, he says, my Lord despises me. No, but you show no kindness to the orphan, nor do you vie with each other in feeding the destitute. Greedily you lay your hands on the inheritance of the weak, and you love riches with all your hearts. No, but when the earth is crushed to fine dust, and your Lord comes down with the angels in their ranks, and hell is brought near, on that day man will remember his deeds. But what will memory avail him? He will say, would that I had been charitable in my lifetime. But on that day none will punish as he will punish, and none will bind with chains like his. O serene soul, return to your Lord, joyful and pleasing in his sight. Join my servants and enter my paradise. And see, it's not the paradise that you think of or project. Oh, it's so much greater than that. Think of what you might want, and, think of that as the smallest portion. But the 10 nights, the even and the odd, meaning that all the 10 nights are the most important. So the best 10 nights of Ramadan, you always have those 10 nights of Ramadan, whether that's the 20th to the 29th or the 21st to the 30th. It is what it is. And so the 10 days of the Hijjah are the best 10 days of the year, and you know which ones those are. Once the announcement for the signing of the Hijjah, the day that follows is, and remember, you got these 3 stages of the soul in particular that I mentioned. The animal soul, the inclining soul, the self-correcting soul, and the serene soul. So sort of like, well, you end up in the green, you work through the black, and I guess the other is the red.